Welcome back to the Prosper and Create Real Wealth channel, where we explore the dynamics of success and wealth creation. Today, we're delving into the traditional view of success in America. When we speak of success, what often comes to mind? Perhaps a high-paying job, a prestigious position, or even the thrill of entrepreneurship. Maybe it's the accumulation of wealth, the ability to afford luxuries, or simply achieving financial stability. Traditionally, these are the hallmarks of success in America. A high income is often seen as an indicator of success, a reward for hard work, talent, and dedication. Jobs with prestige and influence are sought after, as they not only offer financial rewards but also social recognition and status. Entrepreneurship, the act of creating and running one's own business, is also a significant marker of success. It represents not just financial prosperity, but also independence, innovation, and resilience. Wealth accumulation, the process of growing one's assets over time, is another cornerstone of traditional success. It provides security, opens up opportunities, and enables a comfortable lifestyle. To sum it up, the traditional view of success in America has been largely centered around financial prosperity and career achievements. It's about climbing the corporate ladder, building your own business empire, or amassing a fortune. But let's pause and ponder for a moment. Is this all there is to success? Is there more to the picture than what meets the eye? So, traditionally, success has been largely about financial prosperity and career achievements. But is that all there is to it? As we move forward, we find that the concept of success is evolving. No longer is success solely defined by financial prosperity and career achievements. We're witnessing an era where the dimensions of success are expanding and becoming more nuanced, reflecting the diverse values and aspirations of individuals. One key dimension that's gaining recognition is personal fulfillment. It's no longer just about the size of your paycheck. It's about the satisfaction and fulfillment that your work brings. Are you passionate about what you do? Does your work ignite that spark inside you? If the answer is yes, then you are successful in this dimension. Work-life balance is another facet that's being increasingly considered. The modern individual doesn't just work to live, they strive for a balance, they yearn for a fulfilling career, but also value quality time with loved ones and leisure activities. Success, therefore, means being able to juggle your professional responsibilities while also enjoying life outside work. In addition to personal fulfillment and work-life balance, social impact is emerging as a significant marker of success. It's about contributing positively to society and making a difference. Whether it's through creating jobs, offering valuable products or services, or contributing to charitable causes, success in this dimension means making a positive impact on the world around you. Lastly, there's personal growth. Success isn't static. It's a journey, a process of growth and development. Are you better today than you were yesterday? Are you continually learning and growing both personally and professionally? If so, then you are successful in this dimension. In essence, success now means having a fulfilling career that contributes positively to society, allows for personal growth, and enables a balanced lifestyle. It's about achieving personal happiness and living a meaningful life. It's a multifaceted concept that goes beyond traditional metrics and resonates with our individual values, aspirations, and sense of purpose. Clearly, success is no longer just about money and power, it's about leading a fulfilling and balanced life. So let's redefine success, not by the standards of the world, but by what truly matters to us. Because in the end, success is a personal journey, and it's up to us to decide what it looks like. The digital revolution and the rise of the gig economy have further reshaped our understanding of success. Now, success isn't just about climbing the corporate ladder or accumulating wealth, it's about carving out your niche, leveraging technology, and making your mark in the digital world. The digital economy has opened up a plethora of opportunities for entrepreneurs and freelancers. It's a brave new world out there, where you can start an online business from your living room, launch a podcast from your garage, or become an influencer from your kitchen. It's about harnessing the power of the internet to reach a global audience and turning a passion project into a profitable venture. On the other hand, the gig economy has introduced a new dimension of success: work flexibility. It's about choosing when you work, where you work, and how you work. It's about breaking free from the 9-to-5 grind and creating a work-life balance that suits you. It's about taking on projects that fuel your passion and spark your creativity. It's about being your boss and controlling your destiny. Whether you're a digital nomad exploring the world while working remotely, or an entrepreneur building a groundbreaking app, the digital and gig economies have redefined success. It's no longer about fitting into a mold, but breaking it and creating your own. In this digital age, success can also mean enjoying the freedom and flexibility that comes with controlling your work environment. But at the end of the day, how we define success is deeply personal. It's a reflection of our values, aspirations, and circumstances, and it's shaped by the cultural, regional, and individual differences that make us uniquely who we are. For some, success is intertwined with the pursuit of the American dream. This traditional vision of success is often characterized by homeownership, a stable job, and a comfortable lifestyle. It's about achieving a level of financial security and independence that allows you to provide for yourself and your loved ones. But as we've seen, the American dream is evolving, and so too are our definitions of success. For others, success is about overcoming personal challenges. It's about setting personal goals, pushing past obstacles, and emerging stronger on the other side. Whether these challenges are physical, emotional, or mental, overcoming them can be a significant marker of success. It's a testament to our resilience, our determination, and our ability to adapt and grow. Then there are those who define success by the impact they make on their community or their field. For these individuals, success is about contributing positively to the world around them. It's about making a difference, whether that's through volunteering, creating innovative solutions, or leading initiatives that drive change. And let's not forget about those who find success in personal growth and self-improvement. For them, success is a journey, not a destination. It's about learning, evolving, and becoming the best version of themselves. It's about embracing personal passions, pursuing lifelong learning, and continually striving to reach their full potential. So success in America today is a multifaceted concept, blending traditional metrics with a broader, more personalized set of criteria. It's about financial prosperity, yes, but it's also about personal well-being, fulfillment, and impact on society. It's about recognizing that success is not a one-size-fits-all proposition, but a deeply personal journey that looks different for everyone. We hope you've enjoyed this exploration of what success means in America today. If you have, please like this video, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep striving for your version of success.